Hello and welcome to the How to Video Guides by Manisha. Hi everyone. This tutorial is about animation in 3ds Max. So here I'm going to show you how to create an animation using the auto key. The key here and in the lower part of the interface, they are all used for animation. And for this particular video, I'm going to use it using an auto key. So first you'll have to click this auto button here. So you see the minute you click it, the time slider is activated and the screen, which was a yellow box, is now changed to a red box. So first, if this is the first scene, how my window would look like or how my starting of the animation would look like. So I'll select everything and I will put on this key button and then I move, let's say at 10 seconds. I want at this stage, I want this box to go higher. So I will do that. Then I move the slider and say at this stage, this should go higher. Again, I move the slider and at this stage, this moves underneath. And then I move the slider and at this stage, this box goes here. Again, I move the slider and at this stage, this goes higher. Again, I move my slider and again I see this that it's all coming back. So now if I play my animation, you can see it's all saved, and when you play it, you can see how your movement is being captured as an animation. So all you need to do is in auto, you don't have to uh, worry about you should always start with this 0. So in an auto, you should always start with 0, and in 0, all you have to do is select everything and start with this key button. Rest, you can just keep dragging and stopping at a point. You can see the animation if I'm dragging it slow. So at wherever point you have to change, you just stop and you change and you go ahead. And then it will all get registered as the animation. So it's very simple doing an animation like this using the auto key. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.